It is a scrip-only offer at the moment, 0.38 of a share in Newmont for every Newcrest share, as you mentioned. We did get this market release a moment ago. Brief it is, one page, just 6 lines here. It does describe the offer as indicative, non-binding, and subject to a number of conditions as well. And a lot of those conditions are very much what you would expect: shareholder approval, regulatory approval, including the Foreign Investment Review Board here in Australia. But Newmont is a big player, the biggest player in the North American gold scene, worth about $57 billion, North America's largest gold miner. It has attempted to acquire Newmont before. That earlier offer was pushed back, but this one appears to be being entertained for the time being, at least by the board. It has retained JP Morgan legal advisors as well to look into this, and said for now shareholders need not do anything while this is examined. Newcrest, as of Friday's close, had a market cap of about $20 billion, so it's definitely going to be worth watching this at the open.
This is kind of a dream deal for a lot of these big global players in terms of looking at Newcrest.
Oh, very much so. And this was looked at back in 2018 when a lot of the acquisition and M&A was going on in the gold space. Newmont, Barrick, Agnico, a Canadian miner, all had a look at Newcrest at the time. And none of them have an ASX listing. This deal would have given any of them, but now looks like Newmont access to a number of very impressive Australian assets, the ASX listing as well. The Lihir mine in Papua New Guinea, a very productive asset that's expected to produce about 2 million ounces in the coming financial year. And also the Newcrest board and the Newmont board are well known to each other, although the Newcrest leadership is in a bit of a state of flux right now after Sandeep Biswas left. CFO Sherry Duhay has been the interim CEO, but it's understood there's a bit of disagreement as to whether or not she'll continue in that role or whether there'll be an external applicant. So a lot of change and uncertainty at Newcrest at the moment, and as I mentioned, we'll be keeping a close eye on that stock when we get going.